welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are doing the Small World ears, and I love these. We actually used a pattern on this bow, so you'll see how I did that. Everything in the Mickey Ear Factory is using solid color fabrics and SVGs with glitter HTV or different styles of HTV. So if you want to just see some of the products that we even sell on shopantietay.com and colors and how they look, watch the videos so that you can see. So I designed these to kind of look like the Small World ears that are already in existence. I would love to do these ears again without the clock and just these patterns on different colors. I'd also love to do them with 2 clocks. There's so many things that you can do with this one, so I'd love to see you guys tag me because I want to see different colors of this and different layouts of this. I really, really love the Small World, but I love Small World. I know it's like one of those things that you either love it or you hate it. I love it, and I love the Christmas Small World series. I love when Small World gets changed over to the Christmas theme, so maybe I'll have to do that for Christmas, is come out with a Small World Christmas theme because I love it. Anyways, I would love to see what you guys do with these ears. Also, they're available to our members, the SVG for this, for free, included in your membership. But if you do want this design as well and you're not a member, you can purchase it on auntietay.com. However, to get this and like a ton of other ones and all the new releases plus thousands of other things, check out our membership if you want the coolest crafting membership on the market right now. All right, let's get going on how to use this. Pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you in case you're trying to use this SVG and you're like, how do I do that? So let's get going. Alrighty, to make our Small World ears, we're just going to cut out our SVG, and I'm going to use the gold HTV that we have on shopantietay.com. I'm also going to use rose gold glitter Caesar HTV, and then I'm just going to use solid purple and solid white. The fun thing about this one is you can definitely use any color you want because there are all different types of colors on this ride at Disneyland. So get creative as you want and make ears. They're not gonna look the same as everybody else's. So I'm just going to heat these up. I'm actually doing 2 pairs of ears for this, but if you want the clock to be on the front and the back, you can iron it on to 2 different pieces of fabric and then just let them cool. And then I'm just going to iron this one on. You'll notice with the SVGs that they have a 1/2 inch seam allowance on them. So I just use the 1/2 inch seam allowance for my Mickey ears. If you don't know how to make Mickey ears or the bows, go ahead and watch my tutorials. They all kind of go together. So you have to watch the Mickey ear tutorial before you watch any of these SVG tutorials, but this is just to show you the bundle and what comes in it. So you'll get the SVG for the bow, and then you'll get 2 different styles of kind of this pattern for the ears, and then you'll also get the clock. So that is available to buy on auntietay.com, or it comes in our membership on auntietay.com.